Hello, Detroit! Hey guys, it's Jonathan Byrd here with exclusively Baronoff Realty here in Sunny Isles Beach, Florida. And really quickly, before we get started, I just want to remind you, if you're looking for a home in the South Florida market to buy, sell, or lease, call your agent at myagentjonathan@gmail.com. Secondly, for those of you who are looking to get into real estate investing, maybe you want a vacation home for your family, might I suggest where I am right now. This looks just like a hotel room, but this is actually a condo hotel, meaning that you are able to short-term rent these units. So you can rent it either through the hotel's rental program or on your own through Airbnb or VRBO. Whether you want to rent the property on your own or put it in the rental program, you're able to stay at the property multiple times per year. And then when you're gone, you rent it out again and let it continue making you money. This is an incredible real estate investment option. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy today's video. That is the General Motors corporate headquarters right here in downtown Detroit, Michigan. There's the snow, and there is Canada. So cool. Hey guys, good cold morning. I'm here in Detroit, Michigan. Yes, that's right, the Motor City right here in front of the Ford picket plant. This was the first plant, factory plant made by the Ford Motor Company. Let's go check it out. Pretty awesome. Created in 1904. So much history in this building. Actually walk around here. You can see it's on a pretty deserted building. I mean, unfortunately, this is kind of the story of Detroit. But it's coming back in a lot of ways. Thursday through Sunday. They're not open. Ford vehicle, the Model T. Production was right here. Incredible. Here in downtown Detroit, and we're here at this restaurant that was started in 1972. Now this used to be one restaurant, but there was a family feud, and so they decided to split the restaurant in half. So on this side you've got Lafayette, Coney Island, and on this one you've got American Coney Island. So I already ate there, and now I'm gonna go eat here. Ford Lightning, Ford Lightning. So we're here at the Ford World Headquarters right here. So you can see a lot of Fords coming in and out. the Ford new Bronco Sport. There's a Raptor over there. A couple of Corvettes tucked away in the corner. This is pretty cool to be here though. World headquarters for Ford.